Hello, this is Ankit Reddy. Welcome to the .NET course from educators.com, world's best online training tutorial for the leading technologies. Today, let's discuss about a compiling executing a C# program without using Visual Studio and how it is possible is if you have Windows operating system. So with that Windows operating system, everyone will be getting a .NET framework get installed automatically with the operating system. So with that .NET Framework installation only, you can compile and execute. You don't require to install full Visual Studio. Let us see that with an example. How to create and how to compile and execute, I'll show you that. So if you see my last video session, we have created a C# program by using Visual Studio. When we create a new program, we have got automatically created these many lines, out of which we have written these two lines. So let us create our own program and let us compile it. Let me open this. So initially I'm writing as same as our C# program using system. Make sure that you do not have any spelling mistakes. Otherwise you do not compile this, because you don't get compilation errors also here. Namespace hello, then you can have this curly braces inside which I'll be having a class, my class, whatever it is. Then again start a curly braces. We know that all class should have a main method, so required main. Let us see this string args. Then a main method contain again what? Inside which you can have console dot write line method. Hello world without Visual Studio. And then to make the console to be wait for our keyboard press, we'll be using read key, so that we can see the output. If we don't have this line, we cannot see the output. To see the output, and these are comments to write something on a console, understand, which is similarly looking like this, the program what it is created by using a Visual Studio, out of which we have created only these two lines. These are comment lines, you can ignore because it cannot be compiled by the C#. We wrote only two lines, but here I have written everything, understand. So let us save this. I'm going to saving, and before saving please select save type as all types. Then I'm placing in a desktop a sample program dot, you should mention .cs, understand. Let me tell you again. After you completing writing your program, you save this notepad as save type as all, then you give your name of the program, my sample program .cs. You should not forget about giving .cs. Save it as. Now if you go to the desktop, you can see this. You are seeing this C# colon because you have installed Visual Studio. If you don't install Visual Studio, you cannot see this also. Now I wanted to execute this. Before executing, we should compile that. I told you that without having Visual Studio, if you install Windows operating system, you'll be getting .NET Framework. So where it will be? Go to C drive, then Windows, then Microsoft. Search for Microsoft.NET. Then again you can see that what version you have installed. My computer is 64-bit version. Just open it and go to this place. Whatever the higher version you have, get that. See here, C colon Windows Microsoft.NET Framework 64, the version. Copy this. I just copied and then open that command prompt. How to open a command prompt? Click on start, click on run, cmd you type, click on OK. You'll be getting like this. And you need to know that where is your program is saved. On desktop we have saved, right? So let us go to desktop. Yeah, here it is. So get the actual path where it is saved. C users ready and desktop. Let us see that command prompt. Here it is, C users ready is there. So to go to the desktop, please use this command. CD means change directory, desktop. Now we are at the place of where the file is saved. And remember that my sample program.cs name as well. Just close this. And then we have copied that, right? The path, just copy it and here you paste it. And then type csc.exe. Give a space. Then you need to give your file name, my sample program.cs. Let me tell again, if you are not following or if you are confusing, we are the CD users ready desktop path. Why we went this path means we have saved our file in a desktop. You can see this properties. C users ready desktop. This is the reason we change the directory to that one. So this is a normal command prompt. Everyone will have, whoever installed Windows. Now you get the path where that .NET framework is installed. This is the path we install. Just copy it. Then here you paste it. Understand? Then again for this same path you add this line csc.exe. CSC stands for C# compiler. Then after exe you please have one space, then you write your program file name, my sample program.cs. Understand? This is the one I'm talking, my sample program. Then hit enter. This will get compiled. Now in order to see the output, again you give your file name. This time you don't need to give any extension here. That's enough. You just hit enter. Now you can see hello world without Visual Studio. So this is what I wanted to show you, that without having Visual Studio installed. That means this is the one. You don't need to install it. If you have Windows operating system, you'll be getting automatically .NET Framework. .NET Framework is enough to compile and execute your C# programs. But why we do need a Visual Studio? So we cannot expect all the applications to be like this, right? So it is very cumbersome to see this input and output. Very difficult to attract many users. So in order to have some rich kind of applications, we'll be using Visual Studio so that we can make applications very much attractive to the users. Okay. Thank you for watching this. Compiling and executing C# program without using Visual Studio. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and we need a Visual Studio to create some rich kind of applications. So, thank you for watching. In later videos, in coming sessions, we'll be using data types in C#. Thank you for watching now.